Airbnb in Pereira Colombia. This Airbnb is right in El Centro. As you can see, you're right near everything. You have everything walking distance from you. You literally will never need a taxi. With that being said, it is downtown. It's noisier, and at night, it can be risky. So if you do stay in downtown at night, you can call an Uber or a Didi or a taxi before you leave, and they can meet you right at your door. I do walk around over here, but I don't recommend that you do. But I will tell you that I do. But I am careful and no da papaya. So let me take you inside. This place also has 24-hour security. We always have somebody on call, and they lock the door at night. There's 11 floors here, which I'm on the 11th floor, which is a beautiful thing, because at night I hear nothing, and in the day I hear nothing. Also, where the window's located, it's not on the side that the cars are. It's on the side that there'll be other buildings, that there are other buildings, which in turn keeps it nice and quiet. Come on in, let me show you. Here you have this electronic key, so you don't have to memorize a number. And what you do is you just take the key. See if I can get it. You run it over. Unlocked. It tells you it's unlocked, and then let's come on in. When you first walk in, you come through the hallway, and the first thing you see is the living room. To your right, you have your kitchen, your area to eat, which would be kind of your dining area. This is a fan. We do not have air conditioning in this location, but I'll tell you, it's not needed. Pereira Colombia is not a very hot area. Once in a while, you might be a little hot, you turn the fans on, it's good enough. You open the windows, you get a nice breeze, and the fans, it's good enough. Let me show you a little bit outside. So the reason that it's not really noisy out here, when you look down, is just other buildings. And then there's not another street until the next block. This is your view. We're on the 11th floor. Nice and quiet. Then you come over to the kitchen area. As you can see, I'm doing some laundry. This is where I'm drying them. You know, sometimes you gotta get a little ghetto. And you come right in here. You have your entire kitchen area. The sink is a little bit small for the amount of dishwashing that I do, because I eat like a savage. But you get the job done. It comes with, these are my pans, but this pan right here is his, but I bring my own pans. It came with the rice cooker and the blender. The blender is nice and clean. There's nothing like coming to an Airbnb and you get a blender that it looks like, you know, a peach tree dish that's been sitting around growing mold. We don't have that here. Everything here is new. Look at this beautiful washing machine. State of the art. This thing, you can put it on quick wash and put the level down low so you can do small loads. And then you can always have nice clean clothes. Then you hang the clothes up right here. This refrigerator is beautiful. It has everything you need. Look at the size of this thing. Nice big freezer. Get it all done. Coming into the bedroom. Typically I'd open up these shades, but I just don't have the time. You can get a view from it with the shades down. As a realtor, always open up the shades, show the lights. We're not doing that here. It comes in with the fan, and you have tons of space to put all your clothes. All in here. And the bed's nice and firm. And those pillows, I have that memory foam, so you wake up and your neck feels wonderful. After coming here, I have to get one of these. I have to get one of these memory foam pillows. They're unbelievable. This is room number 2. Nice, beautiful, firm beds, comfortable. Plenty of space for 2 people to put their suitcases. And then we have the office space. Nice big office. You get your work on. Come in, you got the bathroom. Let's get a light going in here. Yeah, the seat's up, ladies. Get used to it. There we go. Bathroom number 2. Everything you need. It does have hot water. There is hot water in here. But if you think it's hot water like in the United States, wrong. It's not gonna happen. It's just, it is what it is. 2 stars for the hot water. Because if you want to come in here and get a nice hot shower in and then sit under it and let it run on your back, it's just not going to happen. You kind of got to spa with it and play with it, and it's not too good. But you know, for the price, I got this for 8 days for $312 all in. That's with tax, the whole 9 yards. $312 for 8 days. And for the guys that are like, gee, that's not that cheap. Yes, it is. We're in inflation. Everything's expensive throughout the whole world. You're not going to get a special deal on anything right now. $312 for 8 days of an apartment that's this size is a good deal. Get your head wrapped around it. This is a good deal. All in all, I give this place 5 stars. You're close to everything. You're close to everything. The place is beautiful. The place is brand new. And you get everything done you need. Look at how spacious this is. I've been Airbnbs that I can't even change my own mind, never mind my clothes. This place is beautiful. $312 for 8 days. Come down to Pereira and check it out. Remember, no da papaya.